Alright, what is up, guys? I know I haven't picked up the camera in a while, but car's painted. Finally. I went with the cheapest route, which was my buddy doing it for me for a huge discount. He says he's not a painter, but this thing is magnificent with the paint job he did. It was $3,500 to do it, and I did it in a Aegean SI blue off the 10th gen size. The color looks amazing. There's just some stuff on here that I gotta peel off from the 3M tape. I also did pick out different wheels. I went with the Avid AV20s instead of the AV06s, which I had. Now those are on the sedan. I did go ahead and put my Progress Tech rear sway bar in with new links, all the new suspension like you guys saw. I did my tie rods, and I'm gonna align it today at work. What else? I put a DC Sports intake on it, so now I actually have a real quarter intake that goes down to the fender. And I have some more stuff coming. I got a radiator I have to install, which I'm going to show on video. And some radiator hoses from P2R, which I'm going to install those as well. But let me give you a walk around of the car. This thing's still wet, but it looks amazing. This side's dry, the other side isn't. I didn't want to scratch the car. I need 3M tape. I need double-sided 3M tape to fix that. Or else I want to drill something into the side of the car, but I'm not doing that. I could find a OEM HFP kit and make it fit better there and on the side skirts, but for $3,500, I ain't mad. This car looks amazing. All right, let's go to work. Maintenance. I tell you, man, I do more maintenance on this car than anything I ever work on, because just did alignment at work, just did tie rods, ball joints, everything on this car, rear sway bar links everywhere, and now we got a radiator. So I'm gonna swap out the old and crusty radiator with this aluminum one from eBay. It's kind of a cheapo one, but not really. It was like 140 bucks. But it'll definitely be better than the stock one with all the plastic being super brittle. And I did go ahead and buy some HFP stickers. So now she's certified. I would really debate that this car is now an HFP spec, just because of how not heavily modified it is, but like it's modified to the point where it's past the HFP spec. I also did go ahead and buy P2R silicone hoses for the radiator, just in case, because, you know, these hoses are potentially 20 years old on this car. But whenever it cools down and I can depressurize everything, we'll get started. Okay. All right, we'll grab some hose clamps and screwdriver. We got P2R hoses. So let's just need to unplug this. Oh wait, no I don't. I can just yeah. All right, it's gonna be real easy. Just need to remove all these clips. Is that fucking rust? No, it's just corrosion and shit. Come on. Alright, and then that one. Okay. Alright, now this will come off. Oh, this is one clip. So I don't even think it really needs to come off. Okay. Okay, alright, so we got 2 10s. Alright, take these radios. Should have probably kept those in. Alright, one second. Me a small 10. 10-y boy. It's okay. I'll just grab a small one. I really wish I had my tripod right now. I'm actually pull it. Oh. As you guys can see, it's pissing it out. But special thanks to P2R for sending the hoses out. Like I said, I don't want to trust 20-year-old hoses over brand new silicone ones. And you know, this car is going to be pushed on a little bit harder than normal, so good upgrades. Alright, I did go ahead and take off the one side of the radiator hose. So go ahead and take off this side of it, if I can even. Alright, so due to the heat outside, I can't really record all that much, but we got the old radiator out. I got to transfer over these hoses and then put the new radiator in and then bolt everything back up, fill it up, and then we'll be done. Okay, now get the radiator in, all the hoses hooked up, fans are all hooked up as well. Just need to fill it up with coolant and then bleed it, whatever. I'll update y'all when that's done. As you can see, we are bleeding it and everything seems to be fine. Top rad hose is hot, bottom rad hose is getting there. Call this a success. Alright, I did go ahead and test drive the car and spin it around the block. No leaks or nothing. If you guys do want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe and comment what you want to see down below. It helps, you know. I haven't been posting a lot, but I mean, you guys literally help me. So, well, till the next time.